Okay, so we've covered some things. We've written down our debts. We've written down the amount that we owe. We've written down the percentage rate. We've also written down the minimum payment. So I have another idea. Have you thought about reaching out to the credit card companies in particular to see if they will offer you a lower interest rate? You may have received some things in the mail. Maybe you've received some credit card offers and they're offering you a lower rate. Well, why don't you reach out to that credit card company and let them know that you're interested in finding out if they will reduce or decrease your interest rate. By decreasing the interest rate, if they agree to do that, that means more of the payments that you're making will be applied to the actual balance that you owe. So you remember that interest and the finance charges that I talked about, those actually keep you from making more of a dent in your balance when you have a debt. But if they reduce the interest rate, then that means you'll be paying less finance charges or less interest per month, which will actually allow you to accomplish the goal of getting that balance to zero even faster. If they are unwilling to do that, then maybe you will reach out and tell them also on that same phone call that you've received a credit card offer from another company and that you're considering going with that other company if they do not decrease the interest rate. See what they say. It's worth a try. They can only tell you yes or no. And if they decide that they don't want to accommodate you with the lower interest rate, then maybe you will consider that it's time to move that account and do a balance transfer. But I want to caution you to pay attention to what the balance transfer fee might be if you move that balance to another card. Now, we don't want to get into the habit of moving balances from one card to another, but we do want to capitalize on any lower interest rates or minimum payments that you might be able to make, because as you work through the snowball, you're applying your money to the lowest balance first. And then as you move down the list of your debts, you will notice that you're able to pay more towards those other debts as you move down the list. So it's just a thought. Don't allow your thoughts or your fears. Don't tell yourself that you can't do it. You also want to check with your bank. There are a lot of banks out here. If you go into online banking, you can actually see your credit score. So I'll tell you what to do next when you take a look at that in the next video. And always remember, take a moment just to review everything. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments, because sharing is showing that we are caring. Please like the video. Please share the video. Please leave a comment and subscribe or follow. Until next time, take care.